孙悟空三打白骨精。
唐僧师徒4人去西天取经，这天他们在山中走了半日。
Meet Jean Li, an educator leading the way in Chinese acquisition learning. Jean has been using the skills of reading and writing to help students to integrate 21st century learning skills, those of critical thinking and problem solving, collaboration, creativity, and innovation.
The purpose is let them to understand the very famous Chinese ancient story. It's about the Monkey King. In the textbook, the story was written in half, and the other half, the kids listen to the recording, and then they need to answer questions. That's the textbook decided. I see the movies the kids done, I feel shocked, because I didn't realize they make it so good. Before they get some paper, they want to make the costume by themselves, and later on they rent the costumes. I can see they have done a lot of research about different characters and what they will say, because I asked them, you can create some of the modern items there, and they got some funny words as well. So I think this project let the kids attain my aims, and then they did an excellent job.
What did you learn while you were in the process?
Cooperation and teamwork.
You have to sacrifice your time, like your breaks and your lunch breaks, since we don't have lots of time to work on it.
机会来了，变白骨精变做一个荣耀娇艳、如花似玉的少女，向唐僧走去。
不是啊，那你去啊，说，那你怎么会是妖精呢？
Oh no!